Peace fam. Naima, I'm back with and if you don't know, now you know. I'm just chilling outside today. It rained last night, but the sun is trying to peek through, so I want to make sure it's shining on you, girl. So today, I'm gonna stop clapping too, because we feel like, hey, if I ain't in church, what am I clapping for? So today, I'm gonna be talking about seamoss. Now, I am the plug. You know, I make the seamoss gel. And I made it for myself, but then I also wanted to make it publicly for my community, especially with those that support me and watch me, because I'm gonna tell you why I use it and what it's done to me, and hopefully if you guys can connect to some of the ailments or just want to continue a healthy regimen, a supplement that will help with your daily healthy routine or goals, this is the go-to. I mean, this is the go-to, and I ain't bull crapping, I'm for real. This is the go-to. So seamoss, Irish seamoss, is from the sea. It's a seaweed, it's a sea kelp, it's in the sea, it lives in the sea. And so you have the salt water in the sea, which produces the iodine in which you need especially for thyroid. So it's good for your thyroid, keeps your thyroid balanced. It has so many different things that I guess I'm gonna go in and out of, so just keep up with me, okay? Because there's so many different things. I personally started taking it because I need a daily vitamin, okay? As we get older women, okay? I'm 39, I just turned 39, and I need to make sure, if I don't take a daily vitamin, I need to make sure I take a health supplement that is the bomb. You hear me? The bomb. And the reason why I don't take daily vitamins is because a lot of vitamins now are like synthetic, full of synthetic ingredients that my body will not recognize anyway. So the majority of it I'll just pee out anyway. So I want to make sure if I'm eating something that my body is actually getting the nutrients from it daily. So that's why I take Irish seamoss daily. Now you can take Irish seamoss in capsules, powder. I used to do the powder until I actually went and started getting the seaweed wholesale and making my own gel. And here's the gel. This one is my own personal one. I have 12-ounce jars and 16-ounce jars for sale. Hit a girl up. But it's for your benefit. Honestly, it's definitely for your benefit. This one is an infused seamoss, so stay tuned for that. It's infused with some herbal extracts for additional, I would say, additional health purposes, right? There's a lot of ailments that my community is suffering from, and I want to make sure if I'm up on game and I know certain herbs that'll help in certain areas or ailments, I'm gonna put y'all down with it. Like, this ain't no game for me. So a daily serving, or we'll say a serving size, is 1 to 2 tablespoons, or 2 to 4, depending on where you are in your journey. So therefore, I'm already in my health journey, been there for a couple years, steady, controlled, self-discipline. I know what my body needs. I know when I go off, how to get back quickly. I don't go off too far. So if I take a supplement, I can start feeling the benefits within about 2 or 3 days. Versus someone who has never ever had a health supplement like this, has not gone plant-based, is not juicing, any of that, it will take you longer for you to feel the benefits of this. But you need to also change the way you eat and drink plenty of water if you want to take a supplement like this, okay? Daily vitamins are not full of what you think they're supposed to be full of. They're not. So right here is, you see the baby in the background? So this is my daily vitamin, and I'll take it and I'll put 2 tablespoons in my smoothie, or I have some clients that just love the way it tastes, it's refreshing for them, and they just take a spoonful of it and they eat it. And that's what I'm gonna do in front of you right now, because normally I just put it in my smoothie and I can't taste it at all when I do that. But I'm gonna taste it now because I just want to see. And I haven't made a smoothie today. I just straight went and ate something. I had a fresh salad, and some watermelon. And I'm gonna just take 2 tablespoons, and that's my serving for my multivitamin daily. As we get older, our body stops producing certain type of hormones. Our body stops producing certain type of minerals and nutrients, and the food that they're making for us do not have it. Anything seedless, they're making seedless foods now. So that means they're cutting out certain DNA structures that were supposed to be there. They're genetically modifying all our food. So therefore, you're not getting it's in its organic state. And that means you can't get the organic nutrients if it's been altered. So you have to go a health supplement route. Anyone my age and older now, even young, even my kids, even my children, they take it every day too. Like, you gotta supplement. There is no you gotta supplement, and that's just what it is. You have to supplement. What are you supplementing with? And making sure they're quality supplements is what's key to continuing your life force. And that's all I'm here to do, is help do that. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure we all healthy and we all glowing and we all looking good and we all feeling good, especially my community and my people, for real. And especially if I get questions like, Naima, why is your skin like that? How are you able to keep your weight down? How are you able to be as active? Like, I'm telling you, you gotta have a healthy supplement. You have to have a quality health supplement that you take every day, and that's key. Everybody in any walk of life has to. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons. I make the gel with alkaline water, and it's a gel like jam type substance. And I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons and see, just really enjoy the life it's gonna give me. I take this every day, and I get energized. I had anemia for a while, and I don't even have that anymore, so I just make sure I keep that balanced. There was a point in time when I could have been considered hypothyroidism, but they kept saying it was just stress. But I wanted to make sure that I keep them balanced, and now I don't have that issue anymore. My moods are balanced out a lot when I take this. I can tell when I don't take it, when I need to take it. My moods are balanced out a lot. Acne, I used to have cystic acne, hormonal acne. Every time my cycle will come around, I take this. I don't have that anymore. Let me see. Now, I can't say I don't get a little mood swings sometimes here and there. I think, just the nature of the moon, how that cycles sometimes. But, I mean, come on, bugs. Respect my space. Okay? Respect my aura. And, that's why I take it, and that's what it does for me. And then the kids take it every day, just because I know it helps with consumption of different minerals when they eat their food too, and keep them healthy and nice and strong. It is. Okay. It don't really taste like nothing, like a cold applesauce. But just like you could taste the sea in it. This one has been soaked in for like 2 days. So the salt in it, you really can't taste as much of the salt in it that you normally would taste if I just did it for a 24-hour soak. But it'd be good if you just, whew, and then have some green tea behind it. Boom, done. And that's your vitamin for the day. You can go about your business. So, if you don't know, now you know about seamoss gel. I'll post more information about it. There are different ways you can take it though. You don't have to do the gel. You could do there's capsules and there's also powder. Sorry y'all, I had to change my battery. Okay, if you like the information that was given to you in this video, make sure you hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, giving you health tips and tricks and other things. Make sure you hit that notification button so that you're notified every time I upload a video, okay? As we rolling, I'll put more information right here about seamoss that you should know about, and just give you one thing to think about. Aren't you tired of people practicing on you? Peace, light, and love, y'all.
And if you don't know, now you know.